Alright, Waymo lifestyle activated. I love it. 1 second, gotta put on my seatbelt. Waymo is the future. I love Waymo forever. Let's see. Can I open up all of this? Yeah, I love it. Waymo, Waymo, Waymo. Okay, start ride. Ba-dook. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh yeah, heading home. No music, please. Wow, it is so fast and efficient. I love the Waymo forever. No AC. I don't need you. How do I turn this off? It's futuristic, guys. Wow. Ha ha ha. I love it. Nice, beautiful day for a Waymo. I love it. Okay, so will I be the first person to do Waymo street photography, GoPro POV? Oh yeah, I love it. Yeah. Love it, I love it. This is the future. Waymo street photography POV. Ha ha ha. I love it, I love it. Let's see. Yeah, look at it go, look at it go. Man, maybe I'm the ultimate troll. People checking you on the Waymo, they love it. Yeah, actually after riding my bike for so long, oh man, walking too slow. I'm like, hey, I ain't never gonna drop myself no more. Waymo's like 25% off too. Such a good tag, good man. Nice rapper building. Turn signals, safety first. Nobody. You could do that when you're either a passenger or in the Waymos. Ooh, I've been wanting to take a picture of this for a long time. The Nipsey Kobe. Well, let's see if I can get it. Yeah, I got it. Nice. Sweet.